volunteer at the animal shelter again. I can't wait to see what animals we get to play with. Me too, Bluey. Come on, let's go. Greetings, Peppa and Bluey. Thank you so much for coming back to volunteer at Tiny Paws Animal Rescue. We so appreciate your time and your service to help the animals. If you guys want to split up, one of you can go to the dog area and one of you to the cats. Okay, that sounds good. Bye, Bluey. Have fun. See you later, Peppa.
Wiggle!
Giggle.
Play!
Oh my goodness. Hello, pups. It's okay. You don't have to be scared. We can be friends. Come on over. Oh, you jumped on my head. Oh, aren't you sweet? You want to roll over? Thanks for the kisses. Oh, hi. You're going to give me kisses too. Let me get up and check your food bowls and see if you need some more food. Yep, it looks like it's empty. Here you go, Peppa. Here's some food that you can put into the bowls for the dogs. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Alright, pups. I'm gonna fill up your bowls so you can have a snack. That does it. The bowls are ready. It's time to dig in, pups. Go for it. Wow, you guys sure are hungry. Your tummies should feel nice and full after this. Come on, pups. Let's head out to the play yard. We can have lots of fun out here. Here I come! Oh look! Biscuit's gonna go up the slide! Whoa! Great job! It looks like Scooter wants to go next. Go on up, Scooter! Whoa! That's a fast slide! I have an idea. How about a game of Frisbee? Who wants to play fetch? Here we go! Go get it! Oh, looks like Huck's going after it! Good job, Huck! Let's hear it one more time. Who's gonna get it? It's Peaches! She's bringing it back! Great job, Peaches! How about this ball? Let's throw it! Go get it! Man, you pups are fast! One last time! Go get it! It looks like Peaches is scratching her back in the grass. It's always nice to roll around in the nice spring grass. Are you trying to dig a hole to bury your bone? How about you each go down the slide one more time, and then we have to head back inside. That was a lot of sliding. Ah! That's kisses! Alright, that's enough. Come on, pups, we've got to head back in. Who wants a nice brush before I have to go? Come on up. There you go. Now your coat is nice and soft. Here's a bone for a treat. Next pup, please. Huck, you're so big, I'm gonna have to stand up to brush you. There you go. Your coat should feel fantastic. Here's a bone for a treat. You pups are just so much fun. Look at all of these beautiful kitties. They're so sweet and so lovable. Here you go, Bluey. Here's some nice cat food. You can fill up their bowls so they can have a meal. It looks like you're enjoying yourself.
I am. Thank you. I'll get their bowls filled. Alright, who's hungry, kitties? Let me fill up your bowls. Alright, the bowls are full. Come and get it. You guys sure are hungry. Here, kitties. Come on over to the play area. We'll have lots of fun. Oh, do you like the toys? Which one do you want to play with? Let's try this cat teaser one. She's gonna have fun with this. Over here, Luna. Come and get it. She's coming after it. Come on. That was so fun. What do you want to play with now? Oh, the yarn? Okay. Oh, here comes Stormy. She's gonna get the yarn. You cats are quick. Oh, I guess Stormy wants to go back up. Here comes Chloe. It looks like she wants to play with the ball. Get it, Chloe. She's so cute. Alright, kitties, we've got to head back in. That was so much fun. Thanks for letting me play with you guys today. I hope you all find amazing homes. I wish I could take you all home.
I have to go, pups. I had so much fun with everyone. I wish you the best on finding a new home.
We're all finished. That was so much fun.
Thank you again, Peppa and Bluey, for all of your help today. We'll see you next week.
You're most welcome. Bye. I just love helping out all the animals. It's so much fun. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember, adopt, don't shop.